Hello friends, welcome back to Novelin Puppet Show. Friends, today we have a new puppet in our Novelin Puppet family. Come on, let's go meet the new puppet. Who is new over here? I don't see anyone that's new.
I'm here.
Oh, who is this puppet? What's your name?
My name is Jero.
Oh, do you know about Novelin Puppet Show?
Yes, I do. Novelin Puppet Show started December 2019 and have one new puppet show every month. It teaches Bible-based life lessons for young children and even adults.
Wow, that's some interesting information you have about Novelin Puppet Show. Do you know what today's theme is?
I know, because I am playing an important role today and this is 10th Puppet Show.
Would you like to introduce today's puppet show?
I love to, but our friends and myself love to hear from you, Andrea. I would like to say one thing. Friends, if you subscribe to this channel, you will automatically get notification when we post new videos. This is also available in Tamil language and you can find the link in below description box.
Thank you for that, Jero. Well, many times in our life, we say I swear or I promise to make our friends believe in us. But do you want to know what Bible tells us about that? Come on, let's watch a puppet show about this. Mom. It looks like Mom has not come home from work yet. Let me just empty my lunch box and put the boxes for cleaning. Oh no, I forgot to complete my vegetables today. What am I going to do now? I forgot to throw them in the trash can in the school cafeteria. If I throw in the trash can now, Mom will find out and I'm sure I'll get so many scoldings and advices today.
Hi Jenny, what are you doing? I just came from school. Refresh and come. Let's play till Mom comes home.
Okay, I'll come. You just go to your room now.
Okay Jenny, come soon.
This Jero always has to come home soon. How am I going to hide these vegetables today? Oh God, help me please. I have an idea. I can wrap these vegetables in a napkin and then throw it in the trash can. So Mom will not dig through the trash and will not find the vegetables. Super idea, Jenny. Very smart. Problem solved for today. Mom calling. Let me put it in speaker. Hi Mom, where are you? I reached home.
Jenny, my dear, I'm driving back to home. Traffic jam, dear. Did Jero reach home?
Yes Mom, Jero also reached home. We are going to play for some time now.
Oh, good. Both of you have some snacks, dear. I'll be there in 30 minutes.
Okay Mom.
Jenny, did you finish your lunch today?
Yes Mom, I finished it completely. You can check my boxes.
Really? Did you eat all the vegetables?
Yes Mom, I promise. I finished it all. It was very tasty today.
Is it? I'm happy that you liked it. Actually, salt was very less in food today. It's okay. Go and play with Jero. I'll come in few minutes. Okay?
Okay, Mom. Bye. Bye. Oops. Somehow I escaped from Mom today. She blindly believed as soon as I said the word promise. This word is so... This word is so strong. Jero, I'm ready. Come, let's play.
Okay Jenny, let's play Connect 4 now.
Jero and Jenny started playing the game Connect 4. Jero chose red color and Jenny chooses yellow color.
Let me go first.
Okay, go ahead.
I got you. I got you again.
Now I got you. I'm going to win, I think. Jenny,
Oh no. No, still I have a chance.
let's see. I don't know.
Jenny thinks she can't win this game and she decided to collapse the game.
Jenny, why did you do that?
Sorry. It happened by mistake.
No, Jenny, you did it wantedly.
No, Jero, it just happened by mistake. If you want to, we can play once again from the beginning.
Jenny, you're too bad. As soon as you felt you will lose this game, you just collapsed it wantedly.
Jero, please. I swear, I didn't do it wantedly.
Jenny, I don't believe your promises because you're a liar.
Shut up, Jero. God promised. I did not do it wantedly.
Jenny, stop it. Don't put promise in God. God is watching you.
I know. That's okay. Don't teach me. If you're not interested to play again, then I'm going to my room.
I think Mom has come. Mom, I'm coming.
Jero, how was your school today?
It was very good, Mom. Mom, you know what this Jenny did?
Why? What happened today? Jero explains what had happened in the game to Mom. I see. Don't worry. I will talk to Jenny.
Okay, Mom.
Come, I brought some cookies for you.
Wow, super, Mom. Super.
Same day, after some time in the evening, once Jero and Jenny finishes their homework, Mom just called them for their family prayer time. Jenny and Jero, come, let's read some scriptures and pray.
Coming, Mom. Okay, Mom. Whose turn is it to read the Bible today?
It's your turn. I read it yesterday.
All right, I can do it.
Okay, Jenny, read James chapter 5, verse 12.
Okay, Mom. Above all, my brothers and sisters, do not swear, not by heaven or by earth or by anything else. All you need to say is a simple yes or no, otherwise you'll be condemned.
Children, I wanted to say something to you. When I was in your age, when I was in the Sunday school, one auntie taught me this verse. She said, do not make any promise and let your yes be yes and let your no be no always. From that day on, I remember this verse whenever I try to say promise or when my friends request me to make promise for something. I don't do that. Instead, I will just tell the truth when it is a yes and a no when it is not. Very simple.
Very good, Mom. But what do you do when you're in some situation where a fake yes or no makes your friends happy?
Jero, good question. Just for sake of making your friend happy or to just hide away from the problems, if you fakely say yes, then this nature itself will destroy us. So we must be very careful before saying that.
Okay, Mom. I love this learning today.
Good. Jenny dear, what happened? Why are you very quiet?
Mom, I'm very sorry. Today I made two mistakes. One, I lied to you that I finished all my vegetables, but I just hid them in a napkin and threw them into the trash. So you can find out.
I know that. I already saw them in the trash.
Mom, I'm sorry. Even when you asked, I made false promise to you to convince you and hide the truth from you.
Jenny, I'm happy that you realized it. Please don't repeat this in your life. This way of fake yes or promise is not going to help you by any means.
Okay, Mom, I learned this today.
Jenny, what was the second mistake you made today?
Jero, I tried to cheat you today while playing Connect 4. I did it wantedly and just lied to you, and also made fake promises to you to make you believe me.
I know that, liar.
Jero, can you please keep quiet? She already realized her mistakes. Don't try to criticize her. Everyone makes mistakes in this life and just learn from those mistakes. Is that clear?
Sorry, Mom and Jero.
Sorry, Mom and Jenny.
Kids, remember what I said today. Do not swear or do not promise by any means. All you need to do is say a simple yes when it is a true and no when it is not. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom. As you followed this from your childhood, I'll also follow this from now on. Love you, Mom. Thank you for watching this puppet show, friends. I learned the lesson of not making any promises and just to speak the truth. I hope you also learned this lesson. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.